Hello, welcome to the demo for an electrooculogram based testing system for detecting nystagmus and strabismus, which are two eye disorders. Here I am connecting the electrodes, which are silver electrodes, to an NI Elvis board. The purpose of this electrodes is to get the electrooculogram. The electrooculogram measures the resting potential of the eye, so that when this subject moves his eye, the movement of the eye, that is the potential due to the movement of the eye, is recorded. I apply an electrolytic gel on the electrode as well as on the subject's, on either side of the subject's eyes, so that I can increase the conductivity. Here I secure the electrode on one side of the eye. Since the electrodes are connected to the differential channel, the difference in the movement is recorded. Again, I apply the electrolytic gel and place the electrode on the other end of the eye. There is also a ground electrode which I place on the forehead. Here, the person views the visual stimulus when I tap. As you can see, as I tap, the PowerPoint presentation starts, where the person has to track the red ball using his eyes. At the same time, I use LabVIEW Signal Express to record the values as he tracks the red ball. I acquire the signals, that is the analog input voltage. Since I am using AI0 channel, I select that. This is performed before the person views the PowerPoint presentation on screen. I am specifying the voltage range. I also specify the sampling frequency. The processing of these signals is done using a specific filter. Here I am specifying the cutoff frequency and the order of the filter. Now I add the signals which I am using, that is from the specific channel. And I run the program. Now you can see the signals from the electrodes. There you can see signals from the electrodes, which I am exporting to Microsoft Excel, where these values are stored. These values are stored depending on the time, the number of samples, and the value, that is the amplitude of the sample. Here you can see I am taking 10-second frames The value keeps changing for every 10 seconds, and these 10-second frames are being stored in the Microsoft Excel. This is how the person views from right to left. Since I've connected, because of the electroplacement, if the signal is above threshold, then it means that the person is looking left. Otherwise, it means if it's down, it means the person is looking right. As you can see, there are different sheets where I've saved the values, the 10-second frames, and now I'm saving the project, the Excel file, as NGAA. I use MATLAB, where I can view this graph. I can view these files as a graph in a separate figure. Now I am going to run the program. Here the red triangles signify the movement of the ball, whereas the other triangles are the maxima. These are the slope of the movement of the person, and they have to coincide with the movement of the red ball. This is how these two disorders are being detected. Thank you.